When light photons falls on, when light radiation falls on the sample molecules, what happens when light is absorbed by a molecule? See what happens when light is absorbed by a molecule. In this class, we will see. Before we discuss the Jablonski diagram, we will see what happens when light is absorbed, especially ground state, triplet state. What are called ground state, singlet state, what are called triplet state. When light molecule falls on, when light photon, when light photon falls on, light energy falls on, for example, ethylene molecule. Okay, in ethylene molecule there is one pi bond, so you have pi bonding orbital. There are two electrons. According to molecular orbital theory, when there is pi bond, there will be pi star antibonding orbital. Okay, therefore there are two electrons, they are paired up. Therefore the total spin equal to spin up plus of, spin down minus of, equal to 0. The spin multiplicity is 2s plus 1, therefore 2 into 0 plus 1, singlet state. This is 1, therefore it is singlet state. Now when light falls on it, one of the electron suddenly jumps to excited state. When light photon falls on it, one of the electron is promoted to the antibonding orbital. Okay, now there is no change in spin, so this is again spin up, spin down. Therefore the spin multiplicity is 1. It is also a singlet state, but it is excited state, singlet excited state. Now this undergoes, this singlet state, excited singlet state, undergoes intersystem crossing, that is spin inversion, and then this is called triplet state. In this triplet state, the total spin equal to S equal to plus of spin up, therefore equal to 1. Therefore the spin multiplicity is 2s plus 1, 2 star 2 into 1 plus 1, therefore 3. Triplet state, this state is called triplet state. Now the triplet state is more stable than the singlet state. Why this intersystem crossing takes place? Why this process takes place? Because this state is more stable. Because in triplet state, the electrons are unpaired, therefore lesser interelectronic repulsion. In triplet state, the electrons are unpaired, less interelectronic repulsion. Whereas in singlet state, the electrons are paired and more interelectronic repulsion, therefore this is unstable. Thank you for watching.